Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are looking for amazing shoe storage, you're going to want to get this.
I am super impressed with this shoe storage from Moteph. It is made so incredibly well and is so easy to put together. It unfolds and has these amazing, really high quality plastic, not cardboard pieces that will make all of these little cubbies for your shoes to hang out in. I think this is a really awesome holder. It's super, super sturdy. I really love how it's made with this incredibly high quality material. It was super simple to put together, and I love how it has all these handles. So if you're putting it on a shelf or somewhere in a closet, it is easy to pick up and move as well as move around. It's designed to hold 24 pairs of shoes, but I have found that with things like flip-flops or little thin sandals, you can actually cram a couple of these in together in one holder. And I love how it's adjustable. So I can make room for my bigger shoes and then also have smaller slots for things like my small flip-flops. I really love this because clearly I have a lot of shoes and I just am looking for good storage for them. And I love how it has this clear plastic top. So your shoes aren't getting dusty, but you can still see exactly what is inside this case.
If you love being organized, then you're going to love this shoe organizer. It is so amazing, and that's my point of view.